Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope this video finds you healthy and happy. Okay, this is going to be real quick, guys. I thought I'd do a video because I've been getting a lot of calls because people are finding my Pure Profit Pro videos out there. I just haven't done a video in a while on it. Of course, I'm in the program because I invested in it. I'm at the $1,000 level. But they're asking, what's the difference in Pure Profit Pro and Easy One Up? So I'm going to do a real quick, just a real quick little, hold on one second. Give me a minute. I'm just going to go over this real quick. You can go through the funnel and check it out. Easy One Up and Pure Profit Pro, guys, they both are digital education courses. Okay, basically that's what it is. Information products, digital education that teaches you how to market online. You get paid instantly. They're both 100% commissions. Okay, but the meat of it and what people are asking, okay, how much is it to get in it? So let's go over Pure Profit Pro real quick. Pure Profit Pro has 3 levels. They only have 3 products. Okay, here's my website. Go check it out, beabosslady.info. Go through the funnel and see how it's set up. Okay, $250, $500, and $1,000 level. Okay, here's the admin fees for each one of the levels. Okay, no monthly fees, one-time payments. We get paid 4 ways. Both programs are set up that way, and they're both reverse one up. With Pure Profit Pro, your first sale passes up to your sponsor, and then each sale from that you keep. Okay, now one of the major differences is, the question is, what if I come in at the 250 level and someone comes in at a higher level than you? With Pure Profit Pro, they allow you to pay the difference, okay, plus the admin for that level. Okay, Easy One Up does not. You have to pay the entire level you want to join it. I'll go over that in a second. But 3 levels, okay? They both have the 4 ways to get paid: direct sales, pass up, upgrades, and roll-ups. Okay, that's the major thing with it. It comes with 2 capture pages, okay, and an autoresponder built in. Now, personally, I use the Conversion Pros because I'm branding myself. Okay, so that's an option to use the Conversion Pros. Okay, and here's a link for that. GiveMeLeads.info. Okay, I'm going to show you. This is the website. Website has your picture on it, so that's pretty cool. Hang on for me one second here. My screen is not going up. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this page you see right here, this is what you would get as well, guys. So it's a nice sales page. This is it. Okay, and there's the 3 levels right there. And again, it's 100% commissions as well. They both are. They're member to member. You get paid instantly, direct, indirect. Video training. Okay, so I just want to show you the landing page, and it has a back office so you can track your sales. Here's the 3 levels right here. Okay, there's the admin for each one. Okay, so again, the biggest thing is being able to just pay the difference, and it brands you with your picture and all that on it. There's a callback button and all that. Okay, so that's the biggest thing that I see, that the big question that everybody wants to know. So you pay the difference if you want to upgrade. So if you're at the 250 level, you come in and someone comes, and you want to upgrade to the 500 level, you're going to pay 250 plus the 125. Okay, even though you paid the 95 down here for the 250 level, if you want to upgrade, you pay 500 plus 145. Okay, that's one of the major differences. Okay, so that's it. Go here and check it out. Now let's go over to Easy One Up, and there's no third-party marketing system that's built for it. Okay, there's already a system, so that's why I'm saying I use the Conversion Pros right here. Whereas what you've been seeing a lot with Easy One Up is me talking on up real quick. Vertex lead in the funnel X. You've been seeing that a lot. Okay, so there's other systems that you can use that have already been created. So Easy One Up, still 100% commission. The difference, you've got 6 levels now: 25, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, and $2,000 level. And here's the admin fees. I've added to it, and this is what you're looking at. Okay. Pure Profit Pro has a team Facebook group. They don't have a company Facebook group. The owner is not involved. Okay. Whereas Easy One Up, Peter Woofing is involved with the company. He does 3 calls a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. He does an overview call so you can invite people to hear him or someone else he may have come and speak about the company to tell you how Easy One Up works. And then on Saturdays, he has a team training call. So that's very powerful. Okay. So you're going to have a company Facebook group and a team Facebook group once you join me, of a community of entrepreneurs. Okay. All right. Now, the major difference with this one, you don't pay the difference. So if you came in at the $250 over here with Easy One Up and you want to go to the $500 level, you're going to have to pay $500 plus the $50. So you've already paid, say, $250 plus $25. So if you paid $275 already, then you say, well, you know what? I want to upgrade to the $500 level. Well, you're going to have to come out of your pocket with $500 plus $50. And then if you want to go to the $1,000, you're going to have to come out of your pocket $1,000 plus $100. And the same for the next level. That's how that works. And if you come in at the $250 level or whatever level, let's just say $250, and someone comes in at the $500 level and you have not purchased that $500 level, you're not positioned, you're going to lose that wholesale. So you lose the wholesale over here. With Pure Profit Pro, you're still going to earn the level that you joined at. So with Pure Profit Pro, if you came in at the $250 level and somebody came in at the $500, you're still going to make $250. You're still going to make that $250 regardless. Okay, once you're qualified. And I don't know if I mentioned, with Pure Profit Pro, your first sale goes to your sponsor. With Easy One Up, your first sale you keep, and then the second one. So they reversed it. Okay, so that's the major difference. And I think, that's something no one's talking about, but it's what it is. I'm in both of the programs. I'm not doing a review on this, just talking about it. I'm in both, and that's how they work. Okay, and I ended up joining Easy One Up first, but I kept getting those questions about the upgrades. So I said, well, let me join Pure Profit Pro as a backup. So when someone would come to me and say, hey, will I lose a sale? I'm going to speak the truth. Yes, you will. However, I have another program with the same business model. Okay, and you won't lose your sales. So that's an alternative. Okay, so that's the major difference. Now, what has happened here lately with Easy One Up, we have a way to automate it. Okay, but before that, there's 2 capture pages with Easy One Up too. Okay, just like Pure Profit Pro, the company gives you 2 capture pages, but Easy One Up also comes in Spanish, so it has 2 languages. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so you're getting 2 for 1. So here's the websites for my Easy One Up, 1K with my phone. Okay, go there. Now, they've automated it. We've automated it with these 2 systems. You can use Vertex lead system, which you see me talk about a lot, or the Funnel X. The Funnel X is awesome. It's hands off. All you're going to do is follow step by step, and it has 5 income streams built in there. But in order to get residual income, that means you have to pay monthly recurring payment for something, correct? Okay, so but that allows you to have 5 income streams built in. So Vertex Lead is a marketing system strictly for Easy One Up. So people like the automated process. So that's why, this one has been very busy. But people are seeing my videos, so I just thought I would come out and tell you that's the difference in the 2. That's the major difference. Now, go there, check them out, put the information in, go through the funnels, and you will see what I'm speaking of. Okay, and I'm going to put the links below, guys, but get started with one of them. Decide which one you want to go with, and I'll work with you on both, okay? Like the video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one, okay? You guys have a blessed day.